Hey everyone, how's it going? So I've got Cujo here with me today, and for today's video I want to show you how to draw a chess piece. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our chess piece, we're going to begin with the top of the head. I'm going to start right here, and we're just going to draw a line that's going to come down. Next we're going to make a little line that comes down here. Then we're going to draw another little diagonal line, but this time we're going to put a little hook on the end. Now at the end of this hook, we're going to draw a line that goes over and then it's going to come up. So we're just going to make a little line that's going to come straight over and then it's going to come up to kind of form the face of our horse. Now, starting up here, we're going to make a line that's going to go up, and then it's going to curve back down, kind of like a half circle. Now, at this half circle, we're going to start the body. So to do this, we're going to start right here. We're going to draw a line that's going to go out, and then it's going to come down to here, kind of like an S shape or a backwards S shape. So to do this, we're going to make a line that's going to come out, and then it's going to come down here. So you can see it's kind of like that backwards S. Now we want to draw the front of the body. So we're going to start here. Let's make a line that goes out. It's going to curve around and come up to here to connect. Now, up here we want to make some hair for our little horse chess piece, or the knight, I should say. So let's draw a line that comes straight up. You want it to be a little bit taller than the ear. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, and you can see I'm just kind of following the shape of the back of our horse. And then I'm just going to draw a line in. Now let's add some details onto the face. So right here I'm going to just add a circle for an eye. I'm going to add a little dot here for the nose. And then I'm just going to add a little smiley face there for the mouth. Now, starting here, we want to make the bottom of our chess piece. I'm going to begin here, and I'm going to make a line that's going to curve down. It's going to go right across the bottom and then curve up here. Next, I'm going to make a line that comes down on each side. Then I'm going to draw another little curve line, just a slight curve. Then we'll make a little line that comes down on each end. And then one more little curved line right here. Now, one of the last things I want to do is add some details onto the horse's hair. So I'm just going to keep it simple, and I'm just going to add some little lines that come right down from the top of the horse's hair to the bottom, or you can go from the horse to the top of the hair, your choice. We're just going to make these come all the way across here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little chess piece. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.